XbotGo mission is to make sports capture effortless and accessible, relive and share every exhilarating moment with the prestige and clarity of professional grade recording. A special thanks to XbotGo for providing this innovative product for review. For a limited time, use the link in the description to get a $25 discount on your purchase. Introducing the XbotGo AI Sports Gimbal, the first AI-driven sports gimbal for smartphones. Powered by cutting-edge technology, it automatically tracks and records the action with seamless precision. XbotGo's AI-powered auto tracking captures every movement, covering a wide range of sports including soccer, basketball, hockey, football, rugby, and more. With advanced Follow Me 2.0 technology, XbotGo identifies athletes by their appearance and jersey number, ensuring flawless tracking even in fast-paced environments. Stream your game live with ease. Broadcast directly to Facebook, YouTube, or any RTMP-supported platform, delivering the excitement in real time to your audience. With the tap of the button, create custom highlights in seconds. Whether in the cloud or on local storage, XbotGo makes editing quick and intuitive. Enhance your sports capture with ScoreSync. Real-time scoreboard integration provides dynamic updates throughout your footage, keeping the game alive even during replays. Capture, relive, and share every unforgettable moment. With the XbotGo AI Sports Gimbal, professional sports recording is at your fingertips. Let's take a look at unboxing and setup of this device.